sweater is the knit dog sweater striped part in an extra small from Mark & Graham. It was $45 and an additional $12.50 to get a custom embroidery on the top of the sweater under the heart. We love the little sleeves in the front. Here Zena is wearing the holiday striped Sherpa dog and cat sweater from the Wonder Shop at Target.
Come here, Zena.
This one is super cute and it has a little hood. This sweater is also in a size extra small, and man was it a steal. This sweater retails for only $10.
Zena, come here. Good.
This one does a great job at keeping Zena warm, but she definitely cannot wear it in the grass. This sweater is a magnet for grass, dirt, and twigs. Zena is running around in the pet jammies for your family's Tree Rex Dinosaurs bandana. This came from Kohls, and full price it was only $8. It is made of a velvety smooth sweatshirt material. Now these next two bandanas are just the striped dog bandanas from Mark & Graham. Now these patterns are discontinued, but I got a red one and a blue one, and they were just $9.99. On their website, they have a bunch of other patterns to choose from, and it was free to get these two monogrammed. The long straps on these bandanas make them extremely easy to tie around Zena's neck, and the other nice thing is the straps are long enough that you can leave it loose. The last piece that Zena wants to show you is the dog and cat puffer vest in aqua stripe from the Wonder Shop at Target. This is in a size extra small and it was just $15. This jacket is nice because there's no fabric over her belly, so she stays warm while still keeping a little bit of airflow.
Go get Luke. Go get him.
She's just a year and a half.
Too cute.
No.
Oh, well, that's how she was when she was that puppy business, jumping up and down. Her name is Vegas.
Look at you, two little cuties with your sweater and jacket on.
You want something in there? What do you want? It's freeze dried. There's some lamb. There's some liver. Yeah. Oh, you want to be hand fed? Oh, I can tell you're spoiled. There you go. I prefer to call it well looked after myself. There you go.
Make sure to check out our Las Vegas with a dog video linked right here to see more on this park and all the fun and exciting things we did and visited with Zena here in Las Vegas. Well, thank you very much for watching Zena's cute little clothing haul. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified every single time we upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.